Most innovative solution. This project is a wonderful example of Umbraco's ability to power many brand touchpoints at scale and deliver tangible ROI. Umbraco is at the heart of a complex ecosystem of data exchange across multiple user touchpoints, all seamlessly working together, providing a real-time optimal experience for end users. The itineraries created are actually suggesting things that I would want to visit, even as a local, knowing the cities quite well. AI is implemented in a way where I don't feel like I'm interfacing with an AI, but it is clear how it is enriching the itinerary content. The user interface is intuitive, and the time saved on creating an itinerary is immense. I am very impressed by this. Well done. Arrow really showcases the breadth of the use cases Umbraco supports. It's inspiring to see how Umbraco can be used effectively to work with smaller, versatile pieces of content that are presented in a chat-based and interactive interface through the Content Delivery API to a web app. It's innovative to see how Arrow successfully has created a very engaging content app with Umbraco.